Here we go. Bitcoin and Ethereum are both breaking out. Could this potentially be the beginning of the next monster rally here in the cryptocurrency market? Let's dive in and analyze what is going on, ladies and gentlemen. Crypto Kirby here, your cryptocurrency expert, back with another edition of the daily live stream. Absolutely astonishing developments here inside the Bitcoin chart and the Ethereum chart as well. We have seen several key structures break here, and my friends, if this is in fact the beginning of the next monster rally, we really have to discuss some absolutely insane targets for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So strap yourselves in. This is going to be one heck of a stream. So let's get right down to it. But of course, before we begin, if you could, smash that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. And if you are brand new, welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. So let's begin right here on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. First and foremost, notice this area here. This was the area of concern for me. And the reason for that was if we discredited this short squeeze pump here that came after Elon Musk changed his Twitter bio to #Bitcoin, if we just disregarded this action, right, there still appeared to be a ton of potential resistance around this range, right? And, you know, we got quite the opposite here, folks. You could see the old resistance trend line here actually flipped into downward sloping support, right? It was downward sloping resistance. It then turned into downward sloping support. We then broke back upwards, and now not only are we bouncing off of this range, but we're seeing several key indicators flip bullish here as well. Take a look at the Williams alligator on the 4-hour time frame. We did get this bullish cross right there, the green going above the red and the blue. Very nice after breaking above this region. Also here, the Keltner channels. Take a look. I've been showing you guys on this downtrend here. We saw the top of the Keltner channel act as resistance, not once, not twice, not thrice, but essentially 4 times. Now we saw a huge breakout above there, which is known as a breakthrough on this indicator. And upon our back test down, look at where it found support, my friends. Ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan, right at the bottom of the Keltner channel, which is exactly what you want to see in uptrends. You'd like to see the top of the channel either continually be traded above, something like we're seeing now, and when it backtests down, you like to see that the bottom of the channel acts as support. We got that right there. Just another key bullish sign. Also, if we flip over to the DMI, the Directional Movement Index, take a look here, folks. We also had our bullish cross, the blue directional movement above the bearish. We had the divergence right there. Let's get this crypto. This is all on the 4-hour. Let's go to the daily just to get another more macro perspective. Here on the daily, bullish cross on the DMI as well, looking quite nice. If we take a look here at the Keltner channel, looky here, my friends. We are breaking above this top line again right now, also known as a breakthrough. So if we were to get rejected up here, which we're going to discuss the possibility of that in just a moment, we would now like to see if this is actually going to be a double bottom reversal and we are starting the next move to the upside. I would love to see that if the Bitcoin price dumps, that this Keltner channel winds up acting as support. We bounce off the bottom and look to test the top of the band once again, regardless of where that is. Let's get this crypto. Now let's take a look here at the alligator as well on the 1-day time frame. We'll get the Keltner off of here and notice, my friends, just like the other ones, we've seen this flip bullish again here as well. So with this break of key resistance here, the downward sloping resistance, the horizontal resistance, and sticking in a new potential double bottom reversal, my friends, right now, it appears that the bulls have come back in with a vengeance, and it appears that right now the bulls could be starting to build some serious momentum here. And if you are appreciating the realistic analysis here thus far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, and select all. Welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Okay, so now We'll come back to Bitcoin in just a moment, okay? We'll come back in just a moment. What I want to do is look at Ethereum here as well, and then we're going to discuss potential targets, rejection points, things of that nature. First and foremost here, we saw Ethereum break to a new higher high, which was so important because if you are subscribed here, you would know that I have been under the impression here that this could have been a bearish rising wedge pattern formation here for Ethereum. And if we were to see a drop to a new lower low and lose the upward sloping line of support, that we did have a measured move target here, which is the size of the pattern right there from the top point to the low point, brought over to the potential breakdown point. And that did give us a bearish target down at around 800 USD. Right? The Moon Boys didn't like that one. Kirby, it's never going down that low again. Well, my friend, as a technical analyst, we have to observe all possibilities. We also have to look at the possibility of, hey, if this continues to build momentum here and climb to a new higher high, then this pattern would in fact be negated. And right now, my friends, if the daily candle is going to close above this upward sloping resistance line at a new higher high, which right now at the time of recording, it does look poised to do so. If it closes up here, to me, it appears that this pattern has now potentially been negated, and even if we were to dump, it wouldn't be because of a rising wedge pattern. It would just more so be a correction in and of itself. But right now, the case of this structure leaning bearish is certainly beginning to dissipate, in my opinion, and in fact, it is potentially looking more bullish than bearish at this time. Let's get this crypto. So now let's take a look at our same indicators here, okay? Alligator, we got the bullish twist right there after bouncing off the support line, right? We dropped down, created another higher low, right? That's the key fact here. Low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We then got a bullish alligator twist and a break to a new higher high. Definitely liking what I'm seeing there from the structural components and the Williams alligator. If we take a look at our directional movement index, just look at this on the 4-hour time frame. The bulls appear to be in full control. We had our cross right here in confluence with the bottom of the trend line and the maintenance here of a higher low trajectory, right? Also looking great. Daily time frame. Very nice. We were beginning to converge on it right here, right? It appeared that the bears may have been starting to creep up here, that the bulls may have been waning in their momentum. But right now, this is exactly what you'd want to see here from a bullish perspective. Let's get this crypto. And the Keltner channels here on ETH, here on the daily time frame, what was I just stating on the Bitcoin chart? You want to see this trading on top of the band to maintain parabola. And if we test down to the bottom of the band, just like we did here, right, above to the bottom, you would like to see the bottom act as support to indicate, hey, this still may be a true uptrend here, right? And right now, not only did we never test to the bottom of the band, but my friends, we are back above this band here once again. Very nice. And if we go to the 4-hour time frame, you just can't make this stuff up. Support, bottom of the band, support, bottom of the band, support, bottom of the band, support, bottom of the band. Right now, we have broken that structure. We are trading above the channel, all looking very nice here, in my opinion, on Ethereum as well. Let's get this crypto. So now, I mean, sure, even though this all looks very bullish, understand, my friends, there are no certainties or guarantees in trading, right? All we can do here is look for perceived edges, right? Look to give ourselves what we believe to be a probability that is better than a coin flip here to potentially crush this market and get this crypto. Just because things are appearing bullish does not mean that the price could not see a catastrophic debacle out of nowhere. That is always a possibility. Trading and investing is extremely high risk. Okay. So now what I want to do is go back to Bitcoin and discuss some targets here. Okay. Because we do have several and I want to discuss this right now. But of course, right now, if you really have thus far appreciated, my friends, that thumbs up, thank you for that. And welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, tick the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. So now let's take a look here. First and foremost, let's chalk this up and say that this is a bull flag minus the Uncle Elon squeeze here, right? The squeeze. Let's say that this is a bull flag. Okay. We're going to go from our prior breakout point all the way to the top of the pattern right there to the breakout point right here. And I want you guys to see where this puts us right up in the mid $50,000 range. Here on my chart, it's up at about 54,000 USD, and it's eerily close to this target up here, the 1.618 golden Fibonacci extension target on the logarithmic scale, up at about 61,000 USD. Savage, heinous, borderline ludicrous, if you do in fact ask me. But that is the algorithmic target up there, folks. Mix that into the pot with the potential bull flag extrapolated flagpole measurement with this 1.618 logarithmic Fibonacci extension target. What a mouthful there. Mix those two together, and I would say that if this is to sustain here and we are to see bullish action continue to pick up, my friends, that is where the Don has his eyes right now. Eyes on the prize, up at that level, which, sheesh, it does seem unimaginable, but there is at least some confluence there to really set our sights on as at least a possibility to where the Bitcoin price could be headed if this momentum continues. Let's get this crypto. And if we go over to Ethereum, my friends, there's really not too much here on the Ethereum chart in terms of, I guess that we could say this is a bull flag. It's a little bit of a crude one though, right, my friends? The little crude bull flag, but let's take it. We're going to take it from here to the top. We're going to drag it over to now the confirmed breakout point here, right? And we are going to zoom out. This shows us a target here of about 2,300 USD, okay? Now you may be wondering, but Kirby, I saw in your thumbnail, it said 8,000. And this is where things get a little bit crazy. 2,300, I mean, with how we're rolling right now, definitely doesn't seem out of the realm of possibility, in my opinion. But this $8,000 target, I want to show you here. It's from the top of this old bull market here to the bottom of the bear market here. Okay, my friends? And this gives us a rough logarithmic Fibonacci extension target, the 1.618. Look at what I have to do here. You can't even see it on the screen at all. What I have to do here is shrink the chart down to get this target to appear on the screen. Up at about $8,600 USD on my chart at the time of recording. Let's get this crypto. So we have a potential bullish target, flagpole extension at around 2,300. And a potential logarithmic Fibonacci extension, 1.618, at about 8,600 USD. Let's get this crypto. I know these sound crazy, and I know you all may be saying, Kirby, you're a moon boy now? My friends, I'm just looking at this as realistically as possible, right? We are in uncharted territory here. I mean, look at this. There's nothing. There's no historic data up here. What we are looking for at this point is any type of algorithmic possibility, any mathematic possibility, something in the chart right now to give us a clue of where this could potentially be headed if the momentum is to continue. Same on Bitcoin. We're in uncharted territory. All right. So, I mean, that's basically what I'm looking at there, folks. It's a little bit crazy, I would say, right? But what I do want to make known here is the fact that this always could see a reversal, right? We don't necessarily have to just continue bullish. Now my chart is all messed up from flipping it on ETH like that, but it's okay. I just want it to be known that there still could be potential resistance up here for Bitcoin. Let me just draw a quick rectangle here. You know, up at about our squeeze high, our old high over here, basically really anything below our prior $42,000 top. But essentially for me, it's from about 38,000 to 40,000 is where the bulk of this comes in. We also have this extrapolation channel right here, right? That was all support on the way up, which now acted as resistance upon the short squeeze, could potentially act as resistance again if we get up into this range. So watch out for that. And just keep a level head here, my friends. You need to have a plan for both directions. Like I said, you know, this could just dump at any given moment, right? Even though it appears that we are beginning to see some potential that the bullish momentum is building here, there are no certainties or guarantees in trading. And we should all know that this trend right now, in my opinion, has been so utterly parabolic that I do feel like we still could possibly be in the thrill or euphoria phase of this market cycle. And I just don't want to rule it out of the equation that large sell-offs possibly, somewhat of blow-off top sell-offs could really occur at any given moment. So I never want to rule that out of the realm of possibility. But at the same time, I also want to look at this market from a perspective of, hey, if this is going to remain euphoric, it could remain euphoric for quite some time, possibly longer than we would think, right? So I'm open to all possibilities right now. As you guys know, I'm strategizing around the clock 24/7 to potentially crush this market and get this crypto, and I will be keeping you all personally updated around the clock, exclusively in VIP, with all of my trade setup ideas, entry ideas, exit ideas, potential take profit ideas for all of my trade setup ideas, okay? If you'd like to see where I'm looking to potentially enter, potentially exit, potentially take profit, well, today is the day. It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. Do not miss any more of my important real-time VIP alerts. So to wrap this up here, on yesterday's stream, you guys would know if you are subscribed here. And again, if you're not subscribed here already, hit that subscribe button right now, take the little bell and select all so you do not miss any more of these important analyses. Because on yesterday's stream, I pointed out the fact that we could have been seeing bullish momentum build here, and I was leaning much more bullish around this breakout point yesterday than I was bearish. So shout out to all of you that did watch yesterday's stream. You would know that I was beginning to see the signs written on the wall here that we could be due for a bullish breakout. We did, in fact, get that bullish breakout right here, right now. And the Don is going to continue to watch this market around the clock like a hawk with an eagle eye and prepare to strike like a cobra out of the grass and get this crypto. So, my friends, right now, you should all understand that even though things could be heating up here, you need to try and remove your emotion to the best of your ability. And how I'm able to remove my emotion to the best of my ability is because truly, my friends, the Don has been up the mountain. The Don has been down the mountain. And quite frankly, the Don has also been everywhere in between. And I have wined and dined with kings and queens. And I have slept in alleys and dined on pork and beans. And let me tell you something, ladies and gentlemen, the Don prefers the wine and queens every single time. So as these moon boys and degenerates continue to live a life of peril and squalor, the Don will continue to grind for every Satoshi and dollar. Let's get this crypto. My friends, I will see you in VIP right now, right after this video, as I look to potentially crush, eviscerate, and vanquish this market like a 2-ton man on a tuna fish can. Let's get this crypto. Today is the day, all right? It's time to transform yourself from Average Joe into Savage Joe. Let's get this crypto. I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Do not miss any more of my important real-time VIP alerts. Let's get this crypto. My friends, one last time for the YouTube algorithm, that thumbs up would be so greatly appreciated. And if you are brand new, you see what you get. Welcome to the most realistic Bitcoin technical analysis channel you are ever going to find. Hit that subscribe button, take the little bell, select all, and let's get this crypto. Welcome to the channel. On that note, my friends, I will see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto. And until next time, the Don has spoken. Be safe, be happy, be healthy. It's your boy, Crypto Kirby. Peace and love, my friends. Curbs. Oh, and beware of the fake Kirby imposters down in the comment section. I will never post a phone number on your comment. I will never send you any type of unsolicited email. That is not me. You can see the 2 examples down below. They have the same name as me, but they're posting phone numbers. They're using very weird typing to get around the spam filter. That is not me. This is an example of my real comment here. You can see the nameplate has a gray background to it, and I do leave a creator heart next to the thumbs up so you can validate that that is me. I generally only post the VIP information in a pinned comment, so you know that is me there. My friends, don't fall for any of the fakes. Be smart, be safe. I'll see you in VIP right now after this video. Let's get this crypto.
The material in this video has no regard to the specific investment objectives, financial situation, or particular needs of any viewer. This video is presented solely for informational and entertainment purposes and is not to be construed as a recommendation, solicitation, or an offer to buy or sell any securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, or any related financial instruments, nor should any of its content be taken as investment advice. CryptoKirby is not a financial advisor. The views expressed in this video are completely speculative opinions and do not guarantee any specific result or profit. Trading and investing is extremely high risk and can result in the loss of all of your capital. Any opinions expressed in this video are subject to change without notice. CryptoKirby is not under any obligation to update or keep current the information contained herein. CryptoKirby may have an interest in the securities, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and or derivatives of any entities referred to in this material. CryptoKirby accepts no liability whatsoever for any loss or damage of any kind arising out of the use of all or any part of this material. CryptoKirby recommends that you consult with a licensed and qualified professional before making any investment or trading decisions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.